Well, again, a very good morning to all my dear students. I'm back here, and in my previous class, I have taught you about the present tense. Four parts of present tense we have covered, that is simple, continuous in the first session. After that, we have covered perfect and perfect continuous. Now, today, we are going to cover past tense, two topics of starting. The very first one is past simple tense. Past simple tense. Again, we are going to use 6 different kind of sentences. As you have seen in the present tense, the very first one is affirmative sentences, which is subject plus verb second form plus object, whereas the adverb is optional. So let's frame a sentence with the help of the formula. Suppose subject is he, second form go went. I put the second form simply, he went to school. Now, if the second form comes, whereas in the present simple the formula was verb first form plus s or es, but here verb second form is there, which is went. When second form is there without auxiliary, I easily got to know that this is the sentence of past simple tense affirmative. Now, let's jump upon to the negative one. It is subject plus helping verb, that is did plus not plus verb first form plus object. It is very much necessary to underline here, that is the helping verb is did in the past simple form, whereas some students do what, they put did but the verb second form they get confused with affirmative formula and negative formula. In affirmative we use verb second form, but in negative we use verb first form. Many a times many students do this mistake, so kindly be careful while doing it. So let's frame a sentence. They did not go to school. So here you can see that I use the verb first form and here I use the verb second form, which is a very common mistake of English. Now, interrogative sentences always starts with helping verb. Here helping verb is did plus subject plus verb first form plus object, of course with a question mark. I am writing only one sentence. Reason being, in the present tense you have seen that verb forms verb do and does, helping verb. So I have to choose the subject. If singular and third person is there, I use does, whereas if the subject is plural or I, then or you, then I use do. But here just one helping verb is there, so you choose any of the subject, it will remain same. Now did, suppose the subject is I go to school. This is how with the help of the formula you can basically form the sentence of past simple tense. Remaining 3 are there. Let's quickly write it, and formulas are very important class. During the class you can pause this video. When you are watching it at your home, kindly pause the video and write down the formulas. It is very much necessary. So here I come like interrogative negative sentence. Interrogative negative sentence, helping verb, that is did plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object. So how I use it? Did they not go to school? This is the simple form. If I want to write did plus not, then in the contracted form I can write it as didn't. So let's make one sentence with didn't also, that is helping verb didn't plus subject plus verb first form plus object, of course with a question mark. How I would write it? Didn't they go to school? Now remaining two formulas are there. let me write it for you. That is WH interrogative and WH negative interrogative. So let's solve it together. Now it comes WH interrogative. I will write WH word plus helping verb, that is date plus subject plus verb first form plus object, and let's frame a sentence. Why she did, I'm sorry about it, why did she go to school? Why did she go to school? It's a question with the WH word. WH interrogative negative formula is WH word plus helping verb, that is date, plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object. So it becomes why did he not go to school? Now these are the formulas of the past simple tense. Now we will talk about past continuous tense also. Past perfect and past perfect continuous we will solve tomorrow. Though the class is short, but I don't want you to burden with so many formulas which you cannot learn in a day. Now this is past continuous tense. Affirmative sentence we will start, that is subject plus helping verb, which is was and were, plus verb first form and ing plus object. So how it works? Was with singular, were with you plus plural subjects. So it becomes he was, go plus ing becomes going to school, or they, now I choose were because it is plural, were going to school. Now you can have this. You must copy it down. You must note it down in your English notebook. It is very important part. Now we will write formula for negative sentence of past continuous, that is subject plus helping verb, that is was and were, plus subject plus not plus verb first form and ing plus object. Let's frame the sentence. He was not going to school. If I choose a subject singular, I have used was. Now let's take a plural subject. We were not going to school. Let's take you. You were not going to school. So now we will write interrogative formula after this. Let me write it for you. Interrogative formula for past continuous tense always starts with helping verb, that is was and verb plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object. So it becomes was he going to school, or with the you subject, were you going to school, or with the subject as singular, we have chosen you, we have chosen, let's take a plural subject, were they going to school. Now after this it comes interrogative negative sentence. Interrogative negative we will write quickly. Let me write it for you. Interrogative negative sentence, it also starts with helping verb, that is was and were plus subject plus not plus verb first form and ing plus object. So it becomes was he not going to school, or were they not going to school, or were you not going to school. Now two more are remaining. We will write those. After that you have to learn it. It is WH interrogative sentence, which is WH word plus auxiliary or helping verb as in was or were plus subject plus verb first form and ing plus object with a question mark. It becomes why was he going to school, or why were you going to school. Now last one, WH interrogative negative sentence. It is WH word plus helping verb, that is was and were plus subject plus not plus verb first form and ing plus object. So it is why was he not going to school, and why were you not going to school. So guys, what we have done today, we have solved 6 sentences of past simple tense and 6 sentences of past continuous tense, which is affirmative, negative, interrogative, interrogative negative, WH interrogative, WH interrogative negative. Now you have to note it down in your notebook, and after that what you have to do, as same as you have done previously, these are 12 formulas. You have to make for every formula 2 sentences, so it becomes 24 sentences. Practice it with the different subjects. If you have any question, if you have any query, kindly give us feedback and I will answer your query. Till the time guys, stay at home, be safe. Thank you, have a good day.